Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Pentair Convertible AquaLuminator Aboveground Light and Water Return. There's no easier or safer way to illuminate your pool than with the Pentair AquaLuminator Light and Water Return. The Hydro-Optic technology creates this revolutionary light and return fitting combination. This light fits the existing water return hole pre-punched by most above-ground pool manufacturers and can be installed on new or millions of existing pools. It installs in minutes into your pool's existing water return hole to brilliantly illuminate water and make evening swims a more beautiful and satisfying experience. Features: light and return fitting, 25-inch plug-in cord, fountain attachment available, hard plumbing adapter. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.